Welcome to Droplet Lab's unboxing and assembly video for the educational version.
The kit includes two main pieces.
Align the rods with the corresponding holes
And secure them in place using the provided Allen key.
Attach the needle and then secure the syringe into the syringe holder.
Lock the sessile stage and LED light onto the rods by loosening the thumb screws on the sessile stage, positioning it, and then securing it.
Adjust the camera tilt with the large thumb screw near the camera.
Use the tensiometer to adjust the LED light brightness as needed.
Swap out the needle for your experiment, such as using a thicker needle for surface tension measurements.
Connect the camera to the computer using the provided cable to process the image.
Finally, remember to remove the cap from the camera.